Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. Are you facing Wi-Fi coverage very low in your home and you are struggling to get Wi-Fi coverage all over your home? Then here is the fix. In this video, let me show you how to extend your existing Wi-Fi coverage using Tenda Wi-Fi extender. Actually, this is a Wi-Fi router and you can use it as either Wi-Fi router or extender or repeater. So let me show you how to configure this Tenda router as Wi-Fi extender. This is the box for Tenda wireless N300 router and model number is N301, and this one I purchased from one local shop here, and you can find this on Amazon also. I will put the link on video description and you can find it over there. In this box you can find one Tenda wireless router and one network cable and adapter for the Wi-Fi router. So now you have to connect this router to your power and turn on, and now you can see the lights are blinking. Okay, now let me show you how to configure this router as your Wi-Fi extender. For that, go to settings and here just click on Wi-Fi, and here you can find on Tenda Wi-Fi network. Just click and connect. Okay, now that is connected and it will go to this settings page, and here just select connection type as dynamic IP, and here just enter the Wi-Fi name as Tenda extender, whatever you like, and enter the Wi-Fi password. Okay, now click OK. Okay, now you have to connect that Wi-Fi which is you created just before. You can find that Wi-Fi here. Okay, just to select that Tenda extender which is we created just before and enter that password here. And click on join. Now this Tenda extender is connected, but still there is no internet. So for configuring this as extender, just open your web browser and type this IP address on here, which is 192.168.0.1, and click on go to set. It is showing the current router has not set a login password. It is recommended to go to the set new password, so you have to enter the login password here, and you can find all the details here, which is IP, everything. So just enter that login password here. Okay, click OK. Sorry, it must contain 5 to 32 characters. Okay, now click OK. Now that login password is created, so you have to enter that login password again and click login. Okay, now here you have to click on that 3 lines on the top and click on wireless repeating, and here just click on universal repeater, and here you have to choose your current Wi-Fi and enter that Wi-Fi password here. Click OK. Click OK. Okay, now the Tenda extender is rebooted. After that, go to settings and connect that Tenda extender again, and after that you can start using it, and you can now you can able to use the internet on this network. Now you can see that internet is working on this Tenda extender Wi-Fi. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share, and subscribe for future videos.